Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent machinery centrifugal fans improve the efficiency of HVAC systems in residential buildings by providing consistent and high-efficiency airflow that ensures optimal temperature, humidity, and air quality control. Our fans reduce energy consumption and operational costs while enhancing indoor comfort. Customers in residential developments have reported significant improvements in HVAC efficiency and occupant satisfaction with our fans. As a manufacturer and service provider, we deliver solutions that optimize the performance and reliability of residential HVAC systems.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.